Hey guys, it's Cam and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about how to get luxury beauty products for cheap or even free. So I watch a lot of YouTube videos and I look at the tutorials that they do and some of the products they're reviewing, and I'm just like, I can't go and buy that. Like, I need to save up for a house and not be blowing thousands of dollars at Sephora as much as I want to. So through the years I've try to figure out how to get stuff for cheaper and how to not blow my entire budget on makeup, because not everyone can afford to do that. And sometimes you just do get better quality for more expensive products. Obviously, sales is one thing to keep your eye out for. I do a lot of shopping on Black Friday. I will save up for Black Friday. I know Sephora has the insider sales, I think, a couple times a year. And even Ulta will do the 20% off prestige brands sometimes. But, 15 to 20% off, that's not usually what I'm aiming for. I'm aiming for a bigger discount. And one of the biggest purchases I've ever made was actually buying a lot of my Sigma brushes, which I really wanted. And they had a sale where it was like, the more you buy, the more you get off. So I ended up getting like 40% off. And that made every brush like $10 or less, where they're normally around the $20 mark. So that was a great way to save on that. An item doesn't even necessarily have to be on sale for you to get a good deal on it, because for a lot of occasions they'll discount them or put them in a value box and you get a great deal. Like, I've picked up Algenist skincare for, I got like a full-size wash and a full-size cream and then a trial-size eye cream and a full-size serum, and it was like the price of just the serum. So that was a great deal. For example, on Black Friday, I picked up this Lancer Nourish cream. I don't know if you can see that, which is normally like $125 for a 1.7 ounce. Now this is, granted, this is a half an ounce, but I paid $12 for it. So I think I bought like 5 of them and ended up getting 2.5 ounces for something like $60. So that was a really good day. Another way to get seriously discounted products are subscription boxes. In case you haven't heard of those, basically brands or companies put together promotional boxes. Usually it's trial size or sample size items, but a lot of them will also put full-size items in them, which I'm about to show you. So one of the most well-known ones is Sephora Play, which I subscribed to for, I think, a year and a half. So let me show you some of the things that I got in that box, because it was a great way to just experiment with new things and see what I liked and what I didn't like. For example, they send you usually primers. This is the Benefit Professional. And yeah, this is really small. Sephora Play does give you really small things, but this one isn't. This one is almost a full ounce of the Brazilian Bum Bum cream, which I actually really liked. It smells really good. And sometimes you'll get just useful items like a Kat Von D concealer came in one of the boxes, and I actually never had anything more than a drugstore concealer. So to get something like that and see the quality of it was really, really nice. Another great box that I love that's a little more expensive than Sephora Play is the Dermstore Beauty Fix. When I first saw the box, I think I was trying to figure out how to get like particular items for really cheap, and I ended up finding the box, and the cost of the box was less than the item on its own. With the Dermstore box, it is a little more focused on skincare items, but you still get makeup in it. I actually got, in 2 different boxes, 2 full-size Kevyn Aucoin lip stains. One of them is a very nudish beigeish color, which I would probably buy on my own anyway. And I don't have the sticker on it anymore with the name, but yeah, as you can see, it's Kevyn Aucoin. And this other one, I also don't have the name of it because the stickers were really flimsy, they just fell off. But look at this red. You'll also get in that box some smaller samples, like this is the Alterna Caviar Multiplying Mist. They do send you a lot of products like when they just first come out, so that's always a good way to try them. But this is almost 1.5 ounces, so you get a decent sized amount of product. But the reason why this was my favorite box, would be the full-size skincare that would come in it. So I have the Aven Retinol Cream right here, and this is the 0.1 concentration. And even though it's a little strong for my rosacea sensitive skin, I still really wanted to try this, and it's a really good retinol product. And I think it's like $60 or $70 and the box is $25. So I was just elated when I got that. Another one that I loved was the Lancer. This is the Volume Enhancing Lip Serum. And this is the best thing I've ever put on my lips. Like literally, I'll put this on. I don't like that it's a little sticky because I wear it at night and then I'll have like, you know, dog hairs off my blanket going on my lips and stuff. But this is just, you wake up and your lips are so plump. Granted, it only lasts until the next day. I haven't noticed a cumulative effect, but I just like it. It's minty, it's tingly, and I just really like it. Now granted, you're not gonna like everything you get in the boxes, and I totally get that because I'm the same way. I was like, some things, I just don't use mascara, for example, because I always wear falsies or lash extensions. And so what I ended up doing was figuring out, hey, if I don't like something, I'll leave it sealed and sell it on eBay. And when I went to eBay, after a box came out, I saw that product listed multiple times, super discounted. So even though I didn't get that much money back, like I still got to give somebody, you know, a really worthwhile product for a lot cheaper. But if there's anything that you like in the boxes that you want another one of, but you don't want to buy another box, go on eBay and you'll find it for really cheap because everyone's getting it in the boxes. So speaking of eBay and Amazon, sometimes they're a little sketchy, but it's also a really good way to get stuff for cheap. I would tread cautiously with those because I have gotten fake products from them, and thankfully I know what the products looked like because when I opened them and just watery liquid came out, I was like, yeah, this is not the heat protectant cream that I ordered. But if you're smart about it, if you read the reviews that people leave on sellers, you can get some really good deals. A tip on this is if you're looking for something that's from, like, that originates from abroad, so for Korean skincare, look for Korean sellers and buy international. I love Kerastace, for example, so I will buy Kerastace products, but look for sellers from Spain or the United Kingdom. And, you know, those things are just cheaper over there because that's where they're produced, and you can then get the savings as well. And then the last way to get products for actually free is to get samples. I will always get a sample from Sephora if I need to test something before I buy it. And a great recommendation that I have is the website FreeFlies, and they will let you know if a company is running a promotional offer where they're sending out samples. So I've gotten Dior perfume sent, and actually the most exciting thing I've probably ever got was this little La Mer cream. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, focused. It's only 0.12 ounces, but I never thought I would even be able to like buy a travel size of La Mer. So for me to get that for free and try it out, I was really, really excited. And of course, you know, birthday gifts. So Sephora does give you birthday gifts. This is the one I picked up this year, the Glam Glow kit, because I love Glam Glow. Even like Bare Minerals, for example, I've gotten a free eyeshadow from them before, and this year I just recently went and picked up full size of this matte lip color in the color Luxe. Right, so this is actually what I'm wearing right now, and ever since I picked it up, I've just been wearing it every day. I really, really like it. So I hope you guys liked my video. I hope this helps you out, and definitely keep your eye out on those subscription boxes, see what they're doing every month, because you can usually just subscribe for, you know, a single month. And let me know in the comments how you get your products discounted, because let's all help each other get awesome deals. So I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, please press the like button because it really does help me put out more videos like this one. And don't forget to subscribe. More expensive products. Wow, this really sucks. Okay. 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 Aven.
It's a funny name, Bum Bum Cream.
Yeah. Crap. Mom, I'm filming.